Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. How are you all, my dear kids? Hope you all will be fine. So, let's come to the point. Today, we are going to discuss about selecting basic buttons. In our last lecture, what we have learned is cut, copy, and paste. And today, we are going to discuss about spell check, print button, and save button. So, before moving on to the topic, let's see. What is this image? Have you ever saw this image on Microsoft Word? Yeah. So, what is the image called? This is called the ribbon. Okay. What is the ribbon? This is the area at the top of the page where you can find all the buttons that you can use. Here we can see that the word screen has this area at the top of page where I can find all my buttons here. So this is called the ribbon. Ribbon is the area at the top of the page where you can find all the buttons that you can use. So, what is this? Someone is searching for a word or checking for words. So let's see what is this. Oh, it's a spell check button. And what does it do? We use the spelling and grammar button to check the spelling of the text you have typed. What is it? If we have misspelled some words or some text in our document, we can use this button, spell check button, to correct our mistakes. Let's see the live example. We will go with the activity 4.1 of the book. Open the file letter.doc. So let me open that file from here, and here is the file. Okay, so I'm having the file. This Jennifer and Megan went to a candy shop. Jennifer bought a small box of fudge. Megan paid 50 rupees for a bag of jelly beans. Okay, there are a lot of mistakes in the documents. So let's see how can we correct it. Okay, we will select the review button. Here is my review, and here I can see the spelling and grammar button. Okay, I go to the review. I selected the review from my ribbon, and then I clicked on the spelling and grammar, and here I can see that. Okay, first of all I will have to move from the start of my page. Okay, so I will resume it from here, and I can see that Megan is a name noun, so I will make it capital. I will either double click it or I will change it. I will select this change. Okay, I want this went here. These are not the correct spellings, but these are the correct spellings. So I selected this went and changed it. Now, what is this BOKS? And here I want to type box. So I don't want to type books. I want to type box. So I selected box and changed my spellings. Then rupees, bought some twizzles, and the girls all walked the park where they eat their candy. Okay, so I can't find the appropriate word here, so I will ignore this and will retype the document here where they ate their candies. Okay, so what did I do is I used the button spelling and grammar, and I corrected my mistakes. So what is this? Something is coming out in the form of paper. Is it? Yes, it's a print button. We use this button when we want to make the paper copy of the document. Okay, now before getting into this topic's practical example, let me clear you one thing, that there are two ways to save a file. The one is print and the second is save. What is save file? The save file is inside your computer screen, such as I am having this file fun with name fun in my computer file. So this is the saved version. When I will get the paper form of this file, it will be a printed file. So let's see how can we print a file. When I open my file with the name, I will select this file button, and here I can see that there are multiple options. multiple options what I can do with my file. So here I can see the print button. Okay, when I will select this button, it will give me a screen like this, and when I will click this print, it will give me a print of my document. Now here I have not attached my printer, so it will give me a print in the PDF form. So let's skip it for the moment and come back to the topic. What is this? This is the icon of save button. Okay, now this is the icon of save button. And what is a save button? We use this button when we want to save our document inside our computers. Okay, we use this button when we want to save our document inside our computers. So let's see how can I save my this document file. I will select the file, and again I will select either save or save as. Now here I will choose my position, a location. Where do I want to save my file? I want to save my file on the desktop. Okay, for the time I can see that there is no file of this name. Okay, so when I clicked on the save on desktop with the name fun, and I will name here what file name do I want to give to my document. I give it fun and clicked on the save button. Okay, so now I can see my file here. Here is my file. Okay, so today we discussed about print, save and spell check buttons. Okay, so hope so you will all practice this activity at home as well and give me your kind suggestions in the comment section. Looking for your feedback, and till now goodbye and Allah Hafiz.